Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Welcome to the second sessions of the online tutorial. This week, you are going to learn about things in the office, basic writing mechanics, and descriptive paragraphs. You can find this week's topic in Module 2, which consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to identify vocabulary related to things around the office. Write a simple descriptive paragraphs in English and implement the basic writing mechanics. Please study the materials and enrichment links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussions forum 2. Good luck!